Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Flagshake here. Today this is my first video in Minecraft. This is mod review on god damn it. This is mod review on Watch Dogs. So here's all the stuff. So first off, there is the hat and the coat. Then you kinda look like the guy from Watch Dogs. You see? He's like, oh my god, I'm from Watch Dogs. You wanna buy my balls? No, please. Yeah. Okay. So, let's get started. Okay. Let's just take the hacking device first, then the hack redstone, and then the monitoring device. So, if you know Watch Dogs, it's all about hacking, which is my favorite thing in the world. So you go to a villager, just hold shift, press right click. Then you see, god damn it, stop moving! Stop moving your bitch, you just got hacked. Stop moving. Stop. Can you do it with a zombie? Zombie! No, you have no brain, do you? Okay, so, we go to a villager, and hold shift, and click right click. She's name is Diana Kermave. She likes to read mystery books. She's 16 and she's an occupation and a farmer. Okay, what about you? You're Janet Arbuckle has a stash of circles somewhere. Age 25. Occupation farmer. Okay, so let's see. We just go with the monitoring device now. So let's see. This is all the people I've been like close to. You see, like select villager, Janet Arbuckle. That's the one we saw. So we click on her, click select villager, and then we can see, last no pass. Then we can like just see where they are and stuff. So yeah, let's see if we just take some redstone, just normal redstone, and place it. We can like, oh my god, what am I going to do? I don't have any redstone torches. Whoops! What the? And yeah, isn't that just awesome? Then you can just like, and the hack redstone just starts being like that. So yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? So if we take a normal iron door, and we place it right here. Oh my god, I can't get into my house. What do I do? Oh, I just found this awesome phone. I wonder what it can do. What? Wait, what? Wait, that's not quite normal. What, and then, well, that's confusing. Yeah, we take a hacking device, click right click, and don't wait, it's open. This is awesome. Okay, so I recommend not clicking at the high point, because then the high point will disappear. Like, huh? What? Hey, I opened the door. Oh, I can't get in. My life sucks. Yeah, screw it. So then you hacked it. So yeah, this was the Watch Dogs mod. Link will be in description. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, favorite, and everything in the world. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time here on Flagshake. This was my first video, and I hope to see you next time. And you know why? 'Cause I love you guys. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.